Same technique, different twist. Which one speaks to you? On this first canvas, I poured a white puddle directly in the center as my base. Then I poured the layered cup right into the center of that white. Watching the colors cascade out in rings and ribbons is one of the most satisfying parts of the process. I slowly tilted the canvas, letting the colors stretch and move. You'll see how the gold peeks through as the blues and greens collide, creating soft lines and gradients. The white background gives it a light, airy feel. I started by layering my paints into a single cup. 2 tones of blue, a fresh green, gold, copper, and white. I didn't stir, just let gravity do the blending. On the second canvas, I poured a white puddle directly in the center as my base as well. Then I poured a layered coat right into the center of the white puddle. The color order made a real difference. Gold showed up earlier, giving this pour a slightly bolder start against the blue borders, and contrast was stronger, and the composition came out richer and moodier. I used the same tilting technique to spread the paint, but the feel was totally different. The cooler tones took over here, and the movement had a heavier, more dramatic energy. It's like watching two personalities emerge from the same set of ingredients. This is the beauty of a straight pour. With just a few subtle changes, a shift in paint order, a different background, you can unlock a completely different mood on the canvas. Both pieces use the same 6 colors, the same tools, and the same steps, but they tell two unique visual stories. If you're someone who enjoys double the trouble, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves fluid art. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay creative and keep painting.